In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update a tracking number for your e-commerce orders on Seller Hub. Whether you're new to managing orders or just looking for a quick refresher, this guide will help you ensure that your buyers are kept in the loop with accurate shipping information. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to your Seller Hub. This is the central command center for all your sell-in activities, where you manage your listings, monitor your sales, and importantly, handle your orders. Once you're in Seller Hub, set your sights on the orders section. This is where you'll find all the details you need about any recent purchases your customers have made. Your next task is to locate the particular order for which you need to update the tracking information. Browse through the list, and once you find the order in question, click on the option labeled Add Tracking Number. This action will open up a prompt that allows you to input the shipping details. At this stage, you'll need to enter the carrier name and tracking number. These details are typically provided by your dropshipping supplier. The carrier name refers to the company responsible for handling the shipping of your product. It could be one of the major services like USPS, FedEx, DHL, or any other courier your supplier might use. Make sure you have the correct company name, as this will ensure that the tracking information updates accurately. The tracking number is equally as important. It's a unique identifier that allows you and your customer to follow the package's journey from the supplier to the final destination. Double check this number before you proceed. Any errors here could lead to confusion or complications for the buyer trying to track their order. Once you've filled in these boxes with the appropriate information, it's time to save your work. By clicking the Save button, you're not only updating the order details in your system, but you're also informing the buyer that the package is on the way. This update is crucial in maintaining transparency and trust with your customers, as they appreciate knowing exactly when to expect their purchase. As you complete this process, remember to keep a copy of these tracking details for your records. It serves as a backup should there be any discrepancies in the delivery process, or if your customer has queries at a later stage. So, there you have it, a straightforward method to update tracking information for your orders directly from Seller Hub. Following these steps will ensure that your buyers are well informed about their shipments, enhancing their overall purchasing experience with you. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your managing your shipping and orders.